Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
We received a request for a very short cool down that you can do after our workout. So that's what we're going to do today.
Sounds good.
All right. So hey, Mom, you want to have a seat?
Anything short is good.
We're both short, so that's great,
I'm
right?
short, so that's good, yeah.
Okay, so let's just cool it down by doing some nice inhales up and exhale down. Good. So breathe through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Okay, give me one more. Inhale and exhale. Okay, very, very nice. All right, now we're just going to just cool it down. Just give me some nice side step with the swim. So backstroke and backstroke. Okay, real nice and gentle. Back and back. Yeah, so that palm is facing the back of the room. Okay, just nice, easy sways with a little one arm backstroke. All right, nice. Let's cool it down. You do this after a workout. Just important to get that heart rate down and your muscles relaxed. Okay, give me 4 more. This is 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Okay, feet stationary. We're going to open up our arms, stretch those chest muscles, and then give yourself a nice hug. And open. Inhale and close.
Give yourself a hug.
That's definitely, you deserve it. Open and close, and give me 2 more. Open, inhale, and close. Very nice. Okay, we're going to go right into some shoulder rolls to the back. Okay, 2, good. 3 and 4, and let's reverse that forward. This is 1, yeah, 2, good. 3 and 4. I like to start exercise and end exercise with that one. All right, let's do some gentle twists. Let's go. We're going to go to our left first. Yes, sit tall, stand tall, head up. Yeah, you don't have to go very far back. We just want you to twist and then twist to the other side. Oh, nice spinal twist. And if you can't do these twists, that's okay. Just inhale, exhale. Okay, we're going to do 2 more. Okay, other side. Breathe. Nice. And other side. And breathe. Nice job. Okay, very good. All right, let's go with lower body now. Okay, so we're going to do a side leg stretch. So one leg bent, right knee bent, knee over ankle, and just kick that other leg straight out to the side. Okay, and parallel. You should feel a nice stretch in that thigh.
So you have to move to the edge of the chair, right?
Yes, thank you. Yes, move to the edge of your chair. And I want the knee over the ankle. Knee over the ankle. Move forward a little bit. Yeah, right, the knee over the ankle. Knee over ankles. I'm just protecting.
Knee over ankle.
Right, protecting your knee here, okay? We're holding the stretch. Very nice. Okay, if you're standing with me, you're hinging a little bit over, okay? Okay, and come up. Okay, so you're standing here. You got a wide stance, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay?
Knee over ankle.
Correct. Correct. And kick it out there. I'm doing a slight hinge. You can see me here doing a slight hinge on this side stretch. Okay? All right, good. Hold that. Let's breathe, everyone. Breathe. Good work. All right, come back to center. Ooh. Okay. You feel that nice stretch?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go into that hamstring stretch, so that posterior chain here. Okay, so one knee bent, other leg straight out. My mom's still on the edge of her chair, not falling off of it.
Yeah, don't fall off the chair. That's not good.
That's right. Just to reach for the toe. You don't have to touch it. Just reach it, just so you feel a stretch in the back of your hamstring, but not to pain, just to feel the tension, okay? Good. Breathe. Take 1 more breath. And exhale. Nice work. All right, come back up. Very nice. Okay, let's do the other side. And that one leg, kick the other one straight out. I love this stretch. This is one of my favorite stretches.
Feels good.
Okay, and reach. Very nice. Breathe, everyone. Okay, good job. Hold it. 1 more breath. And exhale. Okay, great. Hey, come back up. Really nice. Now you're gonna do like 1 butt cheek on, 1 butt cheek off, okay? There you go, yes, just like that. And I'm gonna do that nice calf stretch. So if you notice my mom, she's seated. Her leg is actually sort of diagonal in front of the chair, and her both feet are flat on the ground. So you should really feel this nice stretch through your leg here.
Yeah.
And also your hip flexor.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm feeling it here, and my heel is down on the floor. I feel my calf as well. Okay, so you're really doing kind of double duty here. Let me up that hip flexor. Let's take a couple breaths here. Good, and one more. You know, a lot of us are sitting a lot, so this one is really great to, stretch out.
Speak for yourself.
Stretch out that hip flexor. Okay, let's come back to center. Let's do the other side, okay? So that one butt cheek's on, one butt cheek off. If you're seated, you're standing with me. We're knee over ankle, and if you see my mom, her foot is flat on the floor, but it's kind of out in front a little bit.
Straight.
Okay, so you can feel that nice stretch in your calf, and also this hip flexor here. Really like this one. So your hips are facing to the right. Okay, breathe, everybody.
Maybe if I go 2 inches by stretching like this.
You know what? It's a good goal. It's a good goal. You're a growing girl. Growing girl.
I mean, puberty isn't over yet.
But you know what? If you keep stretching and working your muscles, your posture can improve, and believe it or not, you may gain some inches, or even
You might even grow an inch.
Yeah, that's right. Just by standing more upright. Okay, very good. All right, let's just do 3 inhale, exhale, up, inhale, and exhale through the mouth. Inhale and exhale, everyone. And one more inhale and exhale and down. Now, wherever you are, I just want you to close your eyes, okay? Close your eyes, put your hands on your thighs. Just give me 3 inhale and exhales with your eyes closed. And just breathe, okay? Relax. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. And one more. Inhale. And exhale.
Go to sleep.
And clear your mind. Okay, slowly open your eyes. And really nice job on this cool down, that you're nice and relaxed. And thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you in the future workout and cool down. And in the meantime, keep moving, breathing, and stretching. Yeah.
See you soon.